YouTube is filled with tons of video tutorials on how you can create AI videos and make money online from the TikTok creativity program. But for a lot of people, it's still a long process to generate AI videos, and all these niches are too much saturated. And you have to work on an evergreen niche such as sports or incident videos, which are already viral. In this video, I'm going to show you a new method to make money online from TikTok creativity program with the help of AI, but not by generating new AI videos. Instead, you will download the existing videos from the internet and use AI to upscale them, or can even generate a slow motion effect. Now let's get started. So first of all, you should have a Windows laptop. Then go to Google and search for Video Proc Converter AI. A direct link is also available in the video description. Once you are on this website, click on the free download button and install the software. So here I have this pixelated video and I want to convert it into high quality. Just click on the Super Resolution button. Click here to import the low-quality video. The software will show you a preview of how the video will look like after upscaling. I can see a clear difference in quality here. Now from the right side panel, click on Scale to select it, and choose 2x option because it works best. Here in the preview window, you can see the resolution of current video, along with the upscaled resolution, in which the video will be converted. By the way, you can also add multiple videos by clicking on this Add Media button. The software will process all the videos at once. You can also enhance the video or image quality by selecting this option, Enhance Video or Image by 1x. But I like this scale option because it gives the flexibility of upscaling by up to 4 times. Now click on the Browse button here to select the output location for the upscaled video. And lastly, click on this button to start the conversion. Now, depending on your computer hardware, it might take a while because the AI feature in this software splits the video into individual frames to upscale them and add more clarity, and then creates a new video file. Once done, you can play the video to see the difference. Now let's see how the slow motion AI feature works. Simply click on Frame Interpolation option from here, and then drag and drop the video file. From the right side panel, choose the model as slow motion. Then choose the 2x or 3x option here to set the desired slow motion speed on the output video. And finally, click on this button to start the process. And here is the converted video. The Insert Frames option here generates new frames within the video file to increase its frames per second and make the video smoother. You can see the original FPS of the video at the left side and the converted FPS at the right side, depending on the FPS you set here at the right side. Once done, you can right-click on the video file and go to Properties, and then click on Details tab from the top to check the frame rate of that video. There are many more features such as AI stabilization, video file converter, video downloader, and screen recorder. It's a really good software and saves a lot of time. So this was the new niche I was talking about. Go ahead and download already viral videos and convert them into high quality. Make sure to check out Video Proc Converter AI, link is in the description. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you in the next one.